everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Angelic Activations Oracle by Kyle Gray and artwork by Jessica Tumminello. So hopefully I'm pronouncing those names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. I have been enjoying Kyle Gray's new decks lately. I mean, I've been enjoying his decks for a while now anyway, so I'm excited about this new release. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, this retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. Receive instant guidance from the angels with the Angelic Activations Oracle. This 44 card oracle deck is an accessible tool that acts as a bridge between Earth and the celestial realms so that you can obtain direct insight from the angels guiding your way. Intuitively choose which angel has a message for you and then turn over the card to receive immediate support in your life. Interesting. Alrighty. I activate my angelic connection. Thank you, angels, for revealing to me what I need to know. I am willing to listen. Angels on my left, angels on my right. I am protected by love. I am guided by light. Oh, that's really cool. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, this will be really cool. Okay, I'm getting overexcited. So here we go. Let's take a look at the guidebook real fast. How to use your Angelic Activations Oracle. And then we have interpretations of the card. We do have some spreads. Each card you pick represents powerful angelic energies that are available to you, presenting a window of opportunity for you to awaken your spiritual abilities to know and heal. Each of the beings featured on the cards is a multidimensional being of light who can work with many of us at once. These angelic beings are not limited by time and space. They are beyond linear structure, and so their help, healing qualities, and guidance can show up in ways beyond human comprehension. These cards aren't magic. They're a spiritual mirror reflecting to you the information, intelligence, insight, and intuition you hold with your being. Every card you pick is a message that is held deep within you. The messages, activations, and images facilitate the space for you to activate these energies so that you can become more present and step into the light that you were born to shine. The deck is comprised of 44 cards that have no particular order or importance. Each has a picture of an angelic being on one side and a message, guidance, and activation prayer on the other. Some information about angels, angelic frequencies, activation, bonding. So we do have an activation prayer, storing your cards, lots of info. Okay, then we do have spreads here. So two card spread, the Strength, Heart, and Challenge spread, Stellar Gateway spread, and then it goes into the interpretations, which we will go a little bit further into after the flip through. All right, here we go. Let's talk about cardstock. It's not bad at all. It is very flexible. It is that medium thickness that I like, where you can still shuffle it really nicely. It snaps back, but it's still flexible. It is a gloss. And then on the back of each card, we do see that we have the title of the being. We have a little blurb, and then we have an activation here. So we're going to go through the front, and then we'll shuffle, we'll pull a card, we'll read the back, and then we'll read the guidebook. Okay, since the title is on the back, I'll flip it over and read the title, so that way we know who these beings are. Air Guardian, Ariel, Azrael, Chamuel, It's really pretty art. Charity, Cherubim, all that light, Dominions, Earth Guardian. It's quite a different setup deck for Kyle Gray's decks. We're trying something different. Earth Mother, Elohim, Faith, Fire Guardian, Gabriel, Guardian Angel, Haniel, Healing Rays. I love the light, how it is portrayed on these cards. Feels very peaceful, very gentle. Holy Amethyst, the Holy Spirit, Hope, Jeremiel. Reading some of these little titles or blurbs, I'm really enjoying them. Jophiel, Weed Your Thoughts, love that. Ooh. Light Beams, Energetic Shifts. This is really cool. I'm not somebody who's well versed in angel stuff, angel information. Mary, Queen of Angels. So I couldn't tell you what's accurate and what's not, like that I couldn't even touch on, but I'm loving the feel of this deck. Metatron, Michael, the Miriam, Orion, Powers, Principalities, Raguel. So if I'm mispronouncing any of these names, I am so sorry. Raphael. That beard is magnificent. Raziel. Sandalphon. Like, there's a lot of names that I recognize in here too, but I couldn't tell you a lot about them. Seraphim. The Shekinah. I love the different skin colors, the different ages, sky beans. Ooh. Star beans. Thrones. Universal energies. Uriel. Violet flame. Virtues. Water guardian. And the last one. Zadkiel. Okay, very healing. It feels very calming, very nice. Not me trying to figure out which way to shuffle it. Nice. Oh, very flexible. I do want to try to shuffle it side by side because sometimes with a bigger deck like this, they work really nice. Yeah. I can work too overhand. Yeah, I don't have an issue with it. It is a gloss, so sometimes the gloss likes to stick on itself. Whoop. But we're going to read for this, oh, that one first. Maybe the star beans. So this is Uriel. It's going to be okay. No matter what's happening, it's going to be okay. Everything is working out for you. The angels of light are shining upon you, your situation, and anyone involved. If you are feeling overwhelmed or anxious, know this is a reminder of how much you care about things turning out well, and they will turn out well. Activation. Thank you, Uriel, for helping me trust in the process. Okay. And the guidebook. Uriel's godlight is the angel of light, brilliant like the sun, shedding light on anyone or anything that needs to be seen for understanding and spiritual growth. He comes to us when it's a time for awareness and answers. He will shine his torch of light upon our life and help us weigh up our options and obtain the facts in order to make the best decision. Uriel is also the angel who comes to help us with education and higher learning so that we can be the best versions of ourselves. And then we have extra guidance. Angels know that you can be overwhelmed by worry, and they are here to put your mind and heart at rest. Even though you might feel that you are in an unfavorable position with the odds against you, this card is here to bring you peace and hope. A mighty force of love and light surrounds you, helping create space in your life for you to experience a miraculous solution and a positive outcome. It's going to be okay. Thank you, Uriel, for helping me trust in the process. I think this is beautifully done. I think this is definitely a different way of having his oracles. And if you wanted to pause to read for the star beans, that one came out as well. So just in case you were attracted to that card. I definitely think that this is a healing deck. It's something that you can use daily for guidance. It's something that you can use to learn about the different angelic beings. I like the activations. I think that's a great way to kind of allow them in your space, allow them to help you out. I definitely like that this can be a deck that you can use for confirmation. You don't even necessarily need the guidebook. You can just use what's here. You can spread them out and intuitively pick one and then see what the message is on the back. This is definitely a deck that you can use for multiple different different situations and scenarios. So I think this is cool. I definitely like the idea of an angel deck. I specifically like Kyle Gray's explanations for his angel decks and his light beams. I do really like that. But yeah, I would love to know if this is something that is on your radar, something that you're excited about. Is this something that you feel that you need to have in your collection? I'm really liking the art style of this deck. It feels so calm and peaceful, and it feels like, you're looking into this artwork portal basically and getting a nice big hug. So I really appreciate that. So I would love to know what you guys think about this deck, and thank you again to Hay House for sending this my way, and thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.